Hello networking partner, very good morning. I am Vijeta Verma from Delhi, Shree Vinayaga Net Communication. I will share to you some my company information, right? We are manufacturer of JC boxes, fiber termination boxes, and we are also distributor of wireless product and fiber product like wireless ONU routers and customer CP product. Ubiquity microtic brand we are doing tender dealing TP-Link also, and also we have fiber product also. I'll show you my pamphlet or visiting card. So see, this is my pamphlet, are all company detail in this pamphlet, and we have on repairing center also for wireless product and fiber product. If you want any services or you want any repairing like OLT, ONU splicing machine, you can contact to me. This is my address, my office address. I'll show you the detail, all the detail. Now this time I'm in exhibition, Hyderbad exhibition. We are participating in this exhibition. I'm getting very good experience and very good customer base in this exhibition. I am very happy to attend this expo and good experience. Thank you so much.